friends, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. So today being a Sunday, I made this lovely fish thali. So we have surmai rava fry, prawn rava fry, curry that has no coconut, a plain curry, some rice, some polis or chapatis, some mango pickle. So it's a real treat. There was no salad or vegetable, but we're just enjoying the meal. So I wanted to share with you. So I'll share this thali with you. All the recipe links will be in the description box below, so you can make all of this. I hope you enjoy watching. See ya. So friends, today I first had this curry without any coconut, some lovely poris or rotis or chapatis, a lovely surmai fry which is Malvani style with rava, lovely prawns with again Malvani style and rava fry, some lovely mango pickle, a little lemon to squeeze on top of the fish, and some rice on which I'm going to drizzle some lovely melted hot ghee. All these recipes will be down in the description box below, and I'm coming up with the pori recipe soon and the curry without any coconut, so that will also be left in the comments and links below. So this is my Sunday thali. Doesn't it look really delicious?